The Costco Crumbl face-off. Which one's gonna win? Let's find out. First up, the price. Crumbl, $5 for one. Here at Costco, the cookie's only $2.49, half price. For that price, we can pick up our own pink box. They're both super similar in size. They both got good-looking bottoms. Am I allowed to say that? This one is more commercially, if that's a word. While Costco looks like your mom or grandma made this guy. Crumbl wins for softness, but Costco for that chocolate pull. Looks goes to Crumbl for sure, but smell?
It has more cookie smell.
Here, smell it. It's really good, right? Now on to the chocolate chips.
I mean, this is really full of chocolate.
Costco's the winner.
This tastes more homemade.
Costco's all butter cookie also got big votes on the street.
Maybe this one, flavor-wise.
But is Crumbl worth twice the price of Costco?
I like that one better all day long.
I'll be saving some money.
Sorry, Crumbl. Still a good looking cookie.